Alright, special super short bonus. This piece right here goes right there in the door. I just popped it out and unclipped a couple of electrical clips. Reason being, this bit right here is floppy. So whenever I try to adjust my mirrors, they just flop around. So we're going to fix that real quick. It's going to be a super quick fix, I hope. Got a little bit of super glue here. This is Loctite brand super glue, but any super glue should work. They're all what you call CA glue, cyanoacrylate. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can get this sucker fixed up. So you just take a little bit of ye olde super glue here. And we're just going to make a nice puddle out of the super glue. Plop that down in there. Make sure it gets nice and coated. Then we're going to take some of this stuff. This is my magic stuff right here. It's called Instaset. I got it from Hangar 18 Hobbies here in Raleigh. And you just take a little bit of this and you just spray it on where the super glue is. And then, just like that, set, hard as a rock. Alright, so that's one application, and I'm going to just do another one, just kind of build up a bit of a fillet right there. A nice big puddle there, and then a couple doses of that. And it'll be hard as a rock in seconds. And it's hot. It gets really hot. Alright, so hopefully that holds that. If it doesn't, then we'll do something a little bit more extreme next time. Alright, so that's that fixed. Now we're just going to pop this thing back in the truck. We'll see if we can do this here. Alright, and that's back in the truck. That was only about a 45-second fix all told, so there we go.